fairly cloudy day for most of us today. You could catch a shower almost anywhere, and we still have gusty winds across the southwest and the south of the country. I'll have all the details shortly. It's definitely a rainbow. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. If you haven't stepped out yet, for most of us, it's not particularly cold, unless you're in northeast Scotland or northeast England, where the temperatures are considerably lower. It's also going to be fairly cloudy today. Blustery showers, you could catch one almost anywhere, and it's still pretty windy across the southwest and southern counties, especially around the coasts and also across Shetland at the moment. So we're starting off with a lot of cloud. The showers rotating around what's left of storm Erminia, which is continuing to push eastwards through the course of the day. We'll see some brighter skies develop central Scotland into southern Scotland. And these are the wind gusts. So you can see the strongest are across the southwest and the English Channel coasts. Temperatures today, well, feeling cool if you're in the cloud, the rain and also the wind. We've got a range 7 to about 10 degrees. As we head on through the evening and overnight, what's left of the storm continues to pull away. We'll have some clear skies developing. Still some showers coming in across the north of Scotland. Some of those will be wintry on higher ground. And we could, depending on cloud breaks, see some mist and fog form southeast Wales heading in the direction of Oxfordshire, for example. Then by the end of the night, the next system is coming into the southwest. So this system through the course of tomorrow looks like it's going to bring some heavy rain across southern coastal counties, some not as heavy rain a bit further north. It will be windy around it as well, but to the north of that, something drier and brighter, but still some showers coming in across the northeast. Sal and Roger. Thank you. Good morning. It's a fairly cloudy day for most of us today. We could catch a shower almost anywhere, and it could also be heavy. It's also going to be blustery, particularly so in the Northern Isles and the south and southwest of England. I'll have all the details later in the programme. Some showers in the forecast today, Roger. Good morning, everybody. Some of those showers will be fairly blustery as well. And today it's going to be cloudy for most of us, but it will brighten up across parts of Scotland a little bit later. So we've got the remnants of storm Erminia, which affected us yesterday, named by the Spanish, and you can see all the showers rotating around it as we go through the course of the day. Now, some of those could be heavy. You could hear the odd rumble of thunder, but it will brighten up across central and southern Scotland, potentially into Northern Ireland a bit later as well. But into this evening's rush hour, still gusty winds across the southwest and the English Channel, still the chance of catching a shower almost anywhere. Some clearer skies developing as we move towards northern England. Still a few showers coming in across Northern Ireland and across the north of Scotland, and some of those could be wintry on high ground. Now, as we head on through the rest of the evening and overnight period, what you'll find is the low pressure that's the remnants of the storm continue to move away. We'll see clear skies develop. Excuse me, still some showers coming in across the north of Scotland, some of those wintry on higher ground. And where we've got some clear skies, we might see a little bit of mist and fog forming in the south. But by the end of the night, our next system is coming our way. And through tomorrow, that's going to be moving across southern areas, bringing in some rain, the heaviest of which will be across southern coastal counties. The strongest winds with this will be offshore, and there'll be a bit more cloud ahead of it. Eventually that will pull south. It's not going north. So for the north, we're looking at a drier day with still a few showers peppering the northeast. Roger and Sal.
Carol, thank you. We'll talk to you again soon.